How to change username in OneXBet account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXBet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to change your username in your account, you need to go to the account settings. Here in this home screen, at the bottom right corner, you can see the menu option. Tap on it. In this menu page, at the top left corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Once you're in your profile page, in this account section, you can see this username option. In the right hand side, you can see the add option. Tap on it. From here, you can change your username. Tap on this username field. Enter the username that you want to change it to. Once you are done, you can tap on the save button. And there you go. The username has been changed successfully. It's a very simple process to change username in OneXBet account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.